because he knew he had Jehovah God on his side. As a king, David won many battles. With God's help, he defeated all the bad people in the area. Then the people in the kingdom lived in peace. The people loved and appreciated David as their leader. They celebrated with David and cheered him on when he returned from battle.
Have you heard the latest? David is the greatest. Have you heard the latest? David is the greatest. King David had some men. He had 10,000 men. He marched them up the hill. He marched them down again. And when you're up, you're up. And when you're down, you're down. And when you're only halfway up, you're neither up or down.
King David was kind and brave and loved God with